have 1 chicken and 2 beautiful ideas on what we're gonna do with it. It's kind of wintry, it's kind of delicious, and it's a whole lot of freaking simple. Don't you love it? Well, let's cook. Okay, option 1. You're gonna need chicken, potatoes, and olive oil, and this good stuff.
Give me the funky beat.
The seasoning secret to this masterpiece is this bad boy. Knorr Moroccan chicken. Just gonna sprinkle it all over. That's all your flavor, and we're gonna rub it in, and it's gonna be delicious. Half the packet. Only use half. We're gonna save the other half and use it for our second step of this chicken deliciousness that we're making today. Time to rub. I like to seriously juice up my bird. Gets it like a little bit crispy, adds great flavor and taste. That's the same thing. Color and taste. Okay, pat. And that's it. Then it goes into the oven. How easy is that? 180 degrees. I like to cook my roast chicken for about 60 minutes. And then some more stuff is gonna happen. Okie dokie, so chicken is done. 60 minutes later, et voila. So, option 1, you're gonna eat it just like this, good old roast chicken. But another cool thing to do with roast chicken is turn it into a pie, which is what we're gonna do. Straight in this pan that you roasted, add all the goodies, pop some puff pastry on top, and voila. First up, we're going to fry the onions until soft in a little bit of oil. Then add our Knorr naturally tasty Moroccan chicken seasoning. Then a can of tomatoes, some stock. Let that bubble and boil a little bit until slightly reduced. And then lastly, stir in cream cheese to get it deliciously creamy and smooth. Once you've made your sauce, you're going to shred up your chicken right there in the roasting tray. It's gonna get messy, but it's okay. It's easier that way. Then scoop out that beautifully roasted garlic out of the skins and then just toss the cloves around the chicken. Then take that delicious, creamy, velvety sauce, pour it over the chicken, and mix it up good and well. Lastly, in the nature of shredding and tearing, we're gonna rip that pastry up and just put it all over the top, brush it with some egg wash, and into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Fresh out of the oven. Look how good that looks. There you go. 1 bird, 2 delicious ideas. Roast chicken and roast chicken pie. Let's keep it simple, keep it delicious, switch it up, and enjoy this wintry feast. Like I'm gonna. Mix it all up and get it all combined. Okay. Mix it up until it's combined. Hate my brain. Kind of cool ideas for winter or summer or whenever, but just a great blurby blur. Kind of yummy, kind of yummy. 1 bird, 2 great ideas. A roast chicken. Okay. Why is my brain not working? Okay.